Hey, how pumped are you?
Pretty cool.
Good morning. It is 3:35 in the morning in good old Maryland, and we are going to start our journey to Indiana to check out this 91 W350. So super psyched. Might be getting a first gen today, who knows? It's my trusty man right there, looking good. And yeah, let's get this started.
Bad boys, what you want, what you want, what you gonna do when Sheriff John Brown come for you? Tell me what you wanna do, what you gonna do. Yeah, bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? When you were 8 and you had bad traits, you go to school and learn the golden.
All right, here we go. Moment of truth. Is Daniel here? Oh.
I hear you had quite a drive.
Only 12 hours. Nice to meet you.
Sorry, we've been working all day.
No, it's all good. This is Aaron.
How you doing? All right. Nice to meet you. Aaron.
Oh, sorry, Kelsey.
Nice to meet you.
Okay, let's see her. Oh, you got like a collection of toys. Oh man. Stop sign is? Alright, you guys, so the verdict is got it! We're gonna put it on the trailer. Super pumped. But this Dirge is mine. She still needs a lot of work, but super freaking pumped. Oh God. So the truck is loaded. Super excited. Aaron said I have to keep vlogging. I'm just literally got in the truck and had tears of joy. A lot of emotions going on, but she's on 3rd gen stocks. She needs a lot of work, but with some TLC and some good learning experiences, I think this is going to be an awesome time. So thank you guys for watching, and be sure to watch the progress. Break number 1. So I have 7 hours to go, and she's still empty. Hey babe, what are we gonna put on the trailer if we don't get the truck?
Yeah, put the mirrors out and get a taco truck.
Just wanted to give an update because apparently I bought the wrong muffins. Would you like to explain yourself?
The cheaper brand of the two.
It's not even the cheaper brand. All right, whatever. We are at stop number 2. We have about 300 miles, but we got to take our 30. Isn't that right?
Yes, man.
Oh, you just seem so enthusiastic.
Sounds great. It's like 2 and change.
Sweet. Gonna get some Subway. Try to be semi-healthy, right? Interview time. So, Mr. Famous owner of the Rust Bucket, can I ask you a few questions today on our beautiful travel to Indiana?
Sure.
Okay. What made you decide to go the Rust route? You could have went so many other ways, but why Rust?
Everybody's against it. And it's easy to clean.
What gave you the idea to do actual rust for the suspension rather than a wrap?
Budget. In all honesty, the budget.
What's your next big step for the Rust Bucket?
Air management.
If you could go back and choose a different make, model, anything, would you still choose the 07 LBZ, or would you go a different route?
I would do the new L5P. But I can't afford that. I'm very poor.
Well, thank you for letting me interview you today.
You're welcome. You're next.
Oh no. This kid has already found stuff that he wants.
It's free.
No, it's not. It's mine.
It's free.
No.
I will take it back and drop her off.
Okay. You can get my money back then.
No warranty.